Hey guys, thank you for tuning in here to another video on the channel. Guess what we got, guys? We got the 14 Pro Max Deep Purple. So we got that. We got another one, Deep Purple 512. And then we got the new, what is this called? Space Black now, 1 Tera. So yeah, guys, this is amazing right here. We ended up picking up, a couple of cases for it. We gotta have the Apple cases, gotta have the nice purple. So I think they call this ink. So that's like the purple color, and then this is the leather black. So yeah, we're gonna get this unboxed. Well, first I'm gonna go unbox this one, the other, because we don't need to unbox all of them. No point. So let's put this away here real quick. And yes, guys, the Apple Store does have these phones in stock. If you ended up doing the pre-order, guys, there's literally no point. Like you could literally go there and pick it up unless you want like a 1 Tera. That's the only way I would say pre-order. But you know how we do this, guys. Let's get this bad boy opened up. All right, let me set up here and we'll be right back. All right, let's see here. We got to do the compliments. Oh, it did not rip well, but it's okay. Look at that, guys. All right. Look at that. Yes. Let's open her up. Wow, look at this purple, guys. Wow, it looks really good when the sunlight hits it. Oh, wow. Let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit. Give you guys like a little bit more of a close-up on that perp. Feel me? That perp. Now let's do the honors of pulling it back. Oh, there's the pill. So let's see here, guys. Let me put this here real quick. We like to keep our phones in like new condition, of course. See here, but you could see right here the little pill island, the dynamic island as I like to call it. At the end, a lot of the people were right, like John Prosser when he put the picture originally, but the island is so, with the software, it'll be nice and smooth. So let's turn her on and let's get her set up, guys. I'm gonna get her to the home screen. I already had the Apple Store put my AT&T line on here real quick, so since we ended up just having them set up real quick, makes it a lot easier because since I had physical SIM card. So let me get this process going here. We'll see. Of course, we're gonna do the good old English. There we go. Now once it's connect to Wi-Fi, oh my God. Yeah. Let me grab my hotspot modem here, guys, real quick. We'll be right back. Okay, we got the hotspot connected, guys. There you go. When you get the hotspot going and you hit, you submit it, you put in your code. There you go. It says may take a few minutes. Activating eSIM and connecting iPhone to cellular network. This may take a few minutes. So when you have them do it, it's pretty easy. And then there you guys go with the phone on. Now you can see the little dynamic island. It doesn't look bad, guys. I mean, geez, let me pull out a regular. Here we go. Here's a regular 13. So if we compare the island, I'd rather have the pill island than have this. That's a big old blind spot right there compared to the island. And the screen is a lot brighter on this. I'll tell you that much right now. Yeah. Let me get this going. Let's get it to the main menu, and then, oh, there we go, cellular complete. Let me get this going, we'll be right back. All right, guys, so look, so now that we're almost done setting it up, so you press and hold for emergency SOS. So press and hold the side button, either volume button, to make an emergency call, the crash detection. It detects if you've been in a severe crash. We're gonna test some of this stuff. And then coming this fall, 2022, emergency SOS via satellite. When available in select countries, the iPhone can try and text emergency services via satellite if it cannot connect to the cellular. So there you go. Continue to iPhone. All right, guys. So, my first impressions with this phone, guys, it's nice. You know, of course it's nice. It's the newest one. Who's going to complain about that? But look at that, guys. I miss our dear old friend SIM card slot. So as you can tell, still, of course, we got the lightning charging port. Here's our millimeter wave antenna. All right, so of course we got to see how this does on 5G, right? So let's see here. Since I don't have the apps installed right now, we're just gonna pull up the website, speedtest.net. All right, let's see what she's doing here. We got the 5G Plus. And of course we get exceptional performance, you know, from AT&T here. And we better, because the tower is literally like I'm looking at it. So it better be good. 36 ping, and we're looking at 473 on the down. And as you can tell, there you go. There's the tower site. So it better be good. You feel me? So let's see here. Let me put you guys back down. Put the gimbal back down here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a couple pictures and I'm gonna include it in here. Pictures, video, whatever. We'll get it going, guys. I mean, other than that, honestly, it's just a little quick unboxing. I know it's a little bit longer, but I mean, phone feels great. So it says here, important, an update is available to address the iMessage and FaceTime activation issue. So make sure you update that. But other than that, guys, it looks pretty much the same. You know, I can't say anything different. The pill shape is nice. So here, there's the always on display. That actually looks really nice. And of course you guys know that you can hold the screen. I think it is hold, right, or something like that, to customize it. Can't remember, but you guys should know. So you see there's a little lock on the pill. You put your face, there you go, unlocked. What the heck? Uh-oh. There we go. So the dynamic island, right? Let's see here. Well, we'll test that out later on time, guys. We'll do a live stream and test all that stuff out. Let me put some videos here. Other than that, that's it, guys. That's the unboxing on the iPhone 14 Pro Max right there. We'll get the other one set up later, as right now I am on the go, you know, working and trying to make moves. So thank you for tuning in, guys. Stay tuned to the end right here, because we are including some videos of the iPhone 14 Pro, and we're going to include some still shots between the 14 Pro and the 13 Pro. All right. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Catch you in the next one, and peace. Thank you to all the channel members. Appreciate y'all too. All right, guys. We are jogging here with the 13. This is the 13 Pro Max. We're doing a little bit of jogging so you guys can compare it with the 14 Pro Max. All right, there we go. You guys let me know. Was that clear? Can you see the difference between the action shot and not? Let me know. All right, guys, I got you with the action. So let's do a little bit of running. So right now we're jogging. So right now this is the action part of the camera. It's actually doing pretty well. It's holding up steady. The picture seems steady. All right, you guys let me know how the audio is. This is in 2.8K by 60 frames, as that's the highest resolution you can do with the action. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we upload content. Have a great one. Peace.